Good morning, it is Efren, the marketer, with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to keep clients forever and how to find the perfect clients. But first, before I show you what I really want to show you, let's go get some coffee because it is 5 in the morning. We're driving to this billboard that we just put up for one of our clients that I think you'll really appreciate. An iced white chocolate mocha.
Perfect, 5:38. Thank you.
One of my biggest rules when I first started our company was, hey, let's take care of everybody no matter how much they pay. I found these videos on my Snapchat that I really want to share with you guys because it'll make a lot more sense. So watch these. I have a lot of independent contractor friends out there doing stuff for businesses, but they lose their clients every 3-6 months, every year. And I can tell you since day one, I haven't lost one client. And I think what makes me so special is that every business or client or owner that we have, we're as invested into their business as they're invested into their business. And I think that's what puts us ahead of the game, is that a lot of people are like, oh, they're ordering a new design, they just do the design they say and then boom, it's done. Our company just straights out, I mean, you need this, we'll get it done. What's going on? Cool, we'll fix it. Simple as that. And just get invested into the business. Best advice I can give you, and I guarantee you it will pay off. So that right there is footage from my Snapchat when we first started. I kind of always lived by that rule, was always over deliver. And the best part is, man, that these people became my really close friends, and now like I really want them to win, like really want them to win. So with that being said, they not just became my friends, but they're also my clients. And a nice gesture like this can go a long way. So we got this billboard right by where Mr. Carlos works out. There's a LA Fitness across over there, so he's always driving through here. And we just wanted to congratulate him on those 1 million subscribers. This did unfortunately go up a little bit earlier than expected, so he's not quite there yet, but y'all get the drift. I'm currently outside of our office and I'm gonna shoot this video before the sun comes up. All right, so I showed you what we do with our top clients slash friends that are really successful companies. And I also wanna show you about how to acquire new customers or clients. So we currently do run Facebook ads, we currently do Instagram, we currently do all this other stuff of advertising online. The sexy stuff. I like to call digital marketing the sexy stuff because that's more fun than having to go and pass out a flyer or go and network, set up a tent at a convention center. So that's the reason why I call it the sexy stuff. So we also have Gold Level Print, which is a smaller company that doesn't have necessarily clients, but it does have customers. And we do sell really small items that cost really cheap, and so that gives us a really smaller profit margin. But we do still take care of them, not necessarily in just customer service, but we try to look at who spends the most every single year, and we like to send out gifts for Christmas and send out random things during the week. Biggest issue with Gold Level Print was to try to get those customers that we can work for them to continue to order with the company. We're using Facebook advertising, but we were getting $200 a conversion to sell them something that was $50. So we're obviously not just losing the labor, not losing just the Facebook ad spent, but we were also losing on the fact that we only made $50 minus the cost to print, which probably netted us about $25. So all in together, we were negative about $225 to gain a customer. But I know how important it is to continue to get customers, even though I'm going to drain my bank account trying to acquire. So a lot of business owners fail because that's all they look at, the $225 to get them into the door, and they don't see them as, what can I do to make sure they come back? Once they come into the door, we usually break even on the 2nd or 3rd month with this customer as they continue to become a recurring client. So yes, we do run advertising to get customers, but it's the follow-up and the upsells that helps you break even. Depending on the customer, we do send random gift cards to like Starbucks, to Target, to Walmart. Another great tip for our low-paying customers that usually buy anything from like $30, $50, $100, I do write personal thank you cards, and I literally write on every single one and signed Efren, business owner, boom, send out. That is something that's really, really cheap, and you guys can go ahead and do yourself, and you don't even need to print out that many. I mean, you can print out honestly like 250 cards for about like 30, 40, 50 bucks. If you're looking for those thank you cards, look down below. I'll make sure I'll link it on there. A lot of business owners, a lot of freelancers like to just keep the money and don't want to do anything else with it. They're scared to spend money on advertising. They're scared to spend money on a gift basket. They're scared to send people gift cards. Guys, you are a business. If you want to continue to get referrals and continue to get customers, make sure your customer service is A1. The next tip I want to talk to you guys about is how to keep the right client for a long time. Keeping a client's good, but keeping the right client, what is the right client? Somebody you can get along with and play around and have fun at the same time, keeping it professional and making sure that both businesses are getting taken care of. The customer's business and your business. There's been a lot of times where I had these really high paying clients. They've been such a huge headache and I couldn't connect with the customer or with the clients that I personally would prefer not to take care of them and would say, hey, unfortunately, this is not working out for us. I think it's better if you find another marketing company. To me, money isn't always the answer to everything, right? There's people that offer us a lot of money, but there's also people that offer us a little bit of money, but I see a huge potential in their business or in their service or in that person. I don't just be like, oh cool, another company that wants to pay us money. No, I see it as like, who is this person? Who is this person? A lot of times the CEO or the person running the business is what I like to invest in, because let's say if this person starts a dealership and I know he's a hardworking man, but he just doesn't have the funds to get there to be spending the amount of marketing that he needs to because his budget isn't there. I'm willing to take this person as a client and help them get to the next level where they can start affording that money to be able to pay us one day. Those are the clients that are forever with you. Again, those are the clients that are always going to stick with you if you help them get to the next level. Because if you help them to get to the next level, guess what he's going to think? Well, I want to get to the next level from this level. And guess what he's going to do? Hey Efren, I want to go ahead and see how what we can do to get us to the next level. A lot of times landing big clients is really hard because they already had somebody from the beginning to help them get there. My train of thought is, okay, let's invest in the right person that has the right mindset, that wants to continue to grow, and let's help them grow. And that client will eventually get to the next level, and guess what? Now you have a big client. And I know there's a lot of freelancers and small businesses out there that love to have more customers and clients. Just remember when you're working with your clients, can I work with this person for a long time? You know, you want to find the perfect client, and I hope you do find the perfect client. You've got to make sure you keep them for a very long time. All right guys, I want to wrap this up because the sun is coming up and it's definitely hitting my face and it's starting to get hot. If you found this video successful, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, have any questions, comment down below. I will be making more videos. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, and yeah, till next time. Peace.